I thought I'd show you this quick video since I had a leak coming from my bathroom tub. Apparently the slip nut washer just wore out, so I'm just replacing that. Basically what that is, it connects two PVC pipes together, keeping it from leaking. That's the best way I can describe it. It's a little gross, don't mind that. But here, it's a very hard area for me to get to, so I can only use it with one hand, and I was pretty much standing on a ladder, so you can see this was fun, but it's actually a fairly easy process if you could use two hands and it was in a better place. But what you want to do is just slide the washer down and take it off. Normally I would have cleaned the area off, but because it was just such a pain, I didn't care. I just wanted to get this done because it was very uncomfortable. Now what you want to do is, there's a special way you have to put this back on. You want to have the flat side facing up of the washer and the tapered side facing down. That's so when you're tightening down this little nut, it'll push down into the bottom PVC pipe, making a tight seal. Again, this is a very easy process when you have two hands and it's reachable. All you do is just slide it up. Make sure when you're putting the nut on, it's threaded correctly. You want to hand tighten this. You don't need any tools or anything like that. And once you're done, test it out, make sure nothing leaks, and you're good to go. And just so you can see, this is what the old washer looked like. It's pretty gross, but like I said, it just wore out and I need to replace it. Hope this helps. Take care.